Welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
Alright, if you're doing a front lip on a 2019 Charger, 2018, maybe 2017, 2020, and you buy this one that doesn't have the holes, trust me, you're gonna have more work than what you expect to. So you're gonna remove this whole thing, the under tray and the other under tray. So to remove that, you're gonna have a lot of 7mm little screw. That's for they go on the front, right? But under. Once you get those, then you get one of these things to remove all these plastic tabs here. Remove those. So this one you gotta drill it out because your lip needs to come all the way there, and if you want, you can reinstall it or notch your lip around, but this car we just drop it, so we're not gonna be needing this anymore. I know that's there for a reason, so but in this case we're not gonna use it. So to take that out, you drill it from the bottom, and so you drill it with a drill bit, and that will come right out. So now the plan is this. And you gotta wear glasses when you're doing it's gonna be a lot of dirt over here. So now everything here is nice and open, so I'll be able to hold it up there, and either with a black marker, or once I line them up exactly where it's gonna go, I can either get a screw through here and mark it, or drill it right through it. So let's see how I decide to do it. But yeah, this is the plan. Alright, so far this is what I've done. So you see this two white like overhang plastic from the bumper right in the center of the car. So you're gonna follow that flush to your lip. Then you're gonna line your corner up with this other corner here in front of your wheel. So you're gonna line them up with that corner right there. You're gonna make sure the other side is lining up with the corner as well. So lining up with the corner, being flush right here with the bumper. You don't want to have it in or past the bumper. So you want to be flush there, flush. Same thing here. You want to be flush with the bumper. Flush right there. So I put those two in first, and now I'm continue drilling the holes and putting all the rest of the screw in. So right now it's hole by 2 screw. If you want to confirm that everything is lining up the way you want it before you start shooting everything, come out and check it out. See, everything is lining up where I want it. So that's gonna be perfect right there. And then remember, we gotta put all this thing back. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so there you can see it's lining up. So I'll show you exactly what I did on the bottom, and then we gotta put all those plastic back in. Okay, so I use this little battery drill thing here with a 11. Well, this key happened to be an 11. So remember, I did this two first to hold it up for me. Then I add another one in the middle. But after you do those two in the center, then you come and do this one first here. Line them up here flush, line them up here, and drill the hole with a drill bit, which is right here. You drill the hole through. You drill the hole through this plastic, through the plastic on the top, and then you put the washer and the nut from it on the top, so you stick it from the bottom. So do that one, then come on the other corner, do the same thing here. Line them up, drill the hole straight up, and then put your washer and nut. Once you have the one on each corner, two in the center here, then you can decide how many you want to do. So what I did, I follow each black plastic right there. You see it? That's the extra support. So you don't want to put it just to the bumper because it's gonna be all wobbly. So you want to go straight to that black piece right there. Poke it right through. Shoot it on that one. Then I did another one there. I did one in the center here. Then I did the other one right next to it, right there. And of course another one right there. Because that way it'd be nice and strong and stiff. So it's really strong right now, this thing. So now I gotta figure out how to put those little two little things, little strut. So we'll see how I do it. Let me finish this up over here. All right, so if you are putting this little thing, this is what I did. Okay, so see how I put that right there? So this is the way I did it. I took out the screw that was there, and I cut the little washer on it. I cut it off so I can fit this screw in here. You're gonna have to force it in. Hold on. You line them up there. Then you get a plier. Oh, and also I just use another vice grip to cut that little washer off. Then you get another tool and you squish it. You just squish it like that in. Then you're gonna spin the whole thing until it get real tight. You can try putting a socket in it, but this one is too thick unless you sand it down. But that's how we're looking. Alright guys, so this is how the finished product look. So you can see everything is lined up exactly, and that little thing came out good too as well. So make sure you use a tape measure and you measure from here to here exactly, so you can make the hole the same distance. And that's how we look. Looking good, looking good. Alright. Alright, so please like and share, and see you in the next one.